Hi class, good morning everyone. Welcome to the session. Welcome to your Sunday special aptitude sessions as always. Very good morning everyone. Keep joining the session. Right. Okay, all fine. Quickly confirm audio, video, everything is good. Right. Okay, Sonu noted. Will plan for maths also. Good morning, Nishu, Rajesh, Shankar, Mahalakshmi, Dreamer, Sagnika. Very good morning, everyone. Chalo dear. Okay, let us get moving ahead then. All right, so as always, okay, if you want the complete PDF of the session with the detailed solution and also for other important concepts, for doubt discussions and updates about upcoming jobs, exams, PSU's vacancy, okay, you can be connected to my Telegram group. I'll share you the link also sooner. I'll directly share the link in the Telegram, in the chat box. And also guys, the 2023 UPSC mains results have been declared and now it is the turn for interview. The mock interviews, the UPSC final interview round, that is the personality test, okay, is going to start. And for those who are selected to mains, okay, you can get free mock interview, okay, face-to-face, offline manner, one-on-one with the panel, okay, similar to what you can expect in the UPSC type. Okay, so you can just submit your result in the description. There is a link in the description and the team will coordinate you and book your slot for the free mock interview, one-to-one, face-on-face. Okay, right, there are only three slots left for the offline interview, that is the 12th and the 16th and the 17th September. 12, 16 and 17 September. Okay, at the Noida location of BYJU'S office. Okay, now guys, question, chalo. तेजी से करते question, quickly share the session. Right, very good morning everyone. Okay, so starting with some fundamentals. Okay, if two numbers are in the ratio 3:5 and LCM is 45, then what is the sum of these numbers? Tell me. Then what should be the sum of these numbers? Very simple and good variety question practice as some fundamental topics of quant, okay, like simplification of numbers, okay, very important percentage and related applications, some geometry based questions, speed, time and distance based question. The few topics I've selected and we'll have a practice session and conceptual understanding of some of the questions. Very good morning all, keep joining. So two numbers, whenever we take, given the numbers are in ratio, we can take the numbers respectively as 3k and 5k. We can take the numbers as 3k and 5k. Okay, and their LCM is 45. Now, LCM of what numbers? Of the numbers which are not clearly known, that is 3k and 5k. But dear, whenever there is any factor inside the LCM, you can take it outside and you can write it as k times LCM 35. And now we know that LCM of 35 is 15. Okay, LCM of 35 is 15. Okay, and now this is given to you as 45. Okay, so this is 45. Okay, that means what is the value of k is 3 and the sum of these numbers will be, of course will be 8k and k ka value aa chuka hai 3. So the answer is 24. Done hai, option number 1. Done hai, that is the option number 1. Okay, that is the option number 1. Okay, next. 10 years ago, okay, 10 years ago, yes Nishu, correct. Okay, a man is 6 times as old as his daughter. This is 10 years ago. Okay, a man, suppose the age of man is M and suppose the age of daughter is D. Okay, so what is happening 10 years ago? 10 years ago, what will be the age of man? Let's say current age is M. Okay, so 10 years ago, it will be M minus 10 definitely. For daughter also, it's going to be D minus 10, 10 less for both. But this age is 6 times of the daughter. 6 times of the daughter. Okay. Acha, next, this is one equation. Acha, so what is that equation I should be getting here? M is equal to 6D minus 60 plus 10 will be minus 60. Next, 3 years hence ka matlab aaj se 3 saal baad, 3 years later, okay, thrice his age. Whose age? Men's age. Thrice his age, that is 3 years hence, is equal to 5 times of his daughter's age. Okay, so 3 years hence, आज से 3 साल बाद, both will be having the age m+3 and d+3 respectively. Okay, and thrice his age is 5 times the daughter age. So from here I get another equation that is going to be 3m is equal to 5d plus 15 and minus 9, that is plus 6. Okay, that's it. Now we need to get the present age of the daughter. From here we can simplify. Okay, to simplify what you can do is, okay, I need to eliminate men's age ना, इसको into 3 कर दो यहाँ पे भी, तो इसको into 3 किया, so I get 3m is equal to 18d minus 150. Okay, now when you subtract these two, 3m minus 3m will be 0. Okay, and then second minus first करते हैं, तो 18 minus 5 13d minus 150 minus 6 minus 156. Okay, so what is the value of d? It is 156 divided by 13, that should be equal to 12. What is the present age of the daughter? It is going to be option number 3, that is 12 years. It is going to be the option number 3. Clear everybody? Chalo guys, yes, quickly keep calculating, be fast in the calculations, and the correct answer is option number 3. Done eh? Next question should be ready for you. Here it is. Two bowlers A and B take average wickets of 28 and 34 in a series of 8 and 12 matches respectively. If they took 5 wickets in the 9th match and 1 wicket in the 13th match, then what is the average number of wickets? A fundamental question on average, but language. Okay, you just have to focus on the language here, right? Just a second. You have to focus on the language part here. Okay, chalo. Come on, tell me. Okay, two bowlers A and B take average wickets of 28 and 38 in a series of 8 and 12. Okay, now देखो A के total number of wickets कितने हो जाएंगे? Okay, he has an average of 28 in a series of 8 matches now. Okay, now what is the average? You all know that average is given by sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Okay, so what is sum of observations? That is average into total number of observation. Okay, that is the average into total number of observation. Okay, so what is the sum of the wickets taken by A? Average is 28, but he has taken it in a series of 8 matches. So 28 into 8, he has taken this much wickets in the 8 matches. Can I say now he is going to take 5 wickets in the 9th match? ठीक है. Now B की बात करें, B has an average of 34, but in a series of 12 matches, मतलब in the complete 12 matches, what is the sum of wickets taken by him? The sum of wickets taken by him is 34 into 12 plus 1 wicket in the 13th match. Plus 1 wicket in the 13th match. Plus 1 wicket in the 13th match. Right? Okay. This 1 wicket in the 13th match. Okay. Chalo. Now, what is this calculation? Quickly do the calculation and let us then close the answer. Okay, इसका तो हो गया 229 and the other one, that is 409. Okay, so eventually total 638. Eventually total 638. Okay, now what is the average number of wickets by both the bowlers? And the other one? Average number of wickets by both the bowler. Okay, so what is the final average? What is the final average of the wickets of both the bowlers? So total average is again sum of observations divided by total observation. So 638 wickets have been taken in how many matches? 638 has been taken in, देखो 8 plus 1. These many matches are played. 8 plus 1 matches are played by A and B has played 12 का series था and plus 1 more. Okay, it has been taken in these many matches. Okay, it has been taken in these many matches. So it is 638 is divided by 22. Okay. It is 29. The final answer should be the option number 3, that is 29. Option number 3, that is the 29. Done? It is the option number 3, that is the 29. Chalo, done. Correct Nishu. Okay, so final calculated result will be 29. Correct Taki Shetty, Mahalakshmi Aki Shetty. Correct. Next question, dear. The monthly salary of teaching and non-teaching staff at a college is in the ratio 5:3. Okay. For teaching and non-teaching staff, the salary, monthly salary is in the ratio 5:3. That is 5/3 मान सकते हैं. Or I can say that teaching has the salary 5k, non-teaching has the salary 3k. Okay, they wish to contribute 3% and 2% of their salaries to a welfare society. They wish to contribute 3% and 2% of their salaries to a welfare society if each non-teaching staff contributes 390. Okay, जो non-teaching staff है, it contributes 390. यहाँ से question solve हो जाएगा because they contribute how much? 2%, teaching and non-teaching respectively, right? So every non-teaching staff will contribute 2% of its salary. Salary is 3k, and then the contribution of the non-teaching staff is 390. From here you get the value of k. From here you get the value of k. So 2% is what? 0.02 of 3k. This is equal to 390. So solving from here, what should be the value of k, dear? Solving from here, 6500 will be the value of k. Okay, now what is the teaching staff salary? Okay, what is the teaching staff salary? Teaching staff salary is 5k. Okay, out of which k I have obtained. Okay, so this is going to be 32,500 then. Okay, 32,500, option number D. 32,500, that is the option number D. Right? Okay. Yes, correct, Sagnika. That is the value of k. So final salary of teaching staff 5k, that is 32,500. Done it? That is known as the 32,500. Okay, next question, dear. Okay, so again, what basic percentage application question this was. Next, A's income, okay, is 2/5 of the B's income. The expenditure of A is 50% of the B's expenditure, and the income expenditures of B are 48 to 50 and 28% of the income of A. So see, jumbled up language it is. Okay, jumbled up language it is. A's income is 2/5 of the B's income. एक एक करके चलते. A's income is 2/5 of the B's income. Okay, income of A, let's call it as IA, is 2/5 of the income of B. ठीक है. The expenditure of A is 50% of the B's expenditure. Expenditure of A is 50%, that is 0.5 times of the B's expenditure of the expenditure of B. Okay, and the income expenditure of B, अब देखो साफ given है. Income of B is 48 to 50. Income is 48 to 50 and expenditure of B is 28%, that is 0.28 लिखेंगे direct of the income of A. Okay, then what is the savings of A? Every statement I've written so that jumbled up language is clear for you. Now since you know income of B, so income of A is already known to you, then what is income of A? 2/5 of this value. 2/5 of this value, and that should become how much? कितना value given है? 48,250 into 2/5, it will do 19,300. So income of A is 19,000, कितना आया? 300. 19,300 number one. Now if you know the income of A, okay, what will be the expenditure of B? ये भी आ जाएगा. That is 28%. That is 5404. That is 5404. Okay. Now what is the savings of A? Okay, what is the savings of A? So what is expenditure of A? What is the expenditure of A? 0.5 expenditure of B. 0.5 of 5404. इसको half करेंगे तो 2702 आ गया. Right. So what is the savings of A, dear? Savings of a person is its income minus expenditure. Is its income आया था 19,300 minus the expenditure, sorry, that is 27. That is 2,702. Okay, so I think option number 4 will be correct. Okay, option number 4 will be correct. ठीक है, correct है. Option number 4 is correct. Yes, Nishu. ठीक है, option number 4 is correct. So what is the only good thing about this question? Some jumbled up language. Okay, rest all is simple only. Okay, rest all is simple only. It is some jumbled up language. ठीक है, let's go to the next question then. Let's go to the next question here. Okay, a very simple question to set into the profit loss question. A vendor earns 25% on selling his goods, okay, at 2,355. Selling the goods at 2,355. This is selling price, and he is earning 25%. What is the cost price of the goods? What is known as the cost price of the goods? So now, okay, in such cases, we all know what is the percentage profit formula, dear. Okay, we all know what is the percentage profit formula. It is given by SP minus CP upon CP into 100. Okay, but whenever if you want to calculate profit, you can calculate this way. But whenever profit is given and you want to talk about selling price, okay, see, profit is only earned when the selling price is more than cost price. That is why we do SP minus CP. But whenever there is a profit earned, it is earned on what? See, profit calculate किस पे किया था? It is calculated on the base value, that is the cost price. Okay, so if there is a profit, the selling price will be more than cost price. How much? 100 plus P percentage of the cost price. 100 plus P percentage of the cost price. So that means here, okay, if there is a 25% profit, that means I have sold the items at 125%. If there is a 25% profit, I have sold the items at 125%. Then only I get the extra 25%. That is my margin, that is my profit. Okay. Okay, already I bought the items at CP. जो extra percentage, that is my profit. Okay, so yeah, let me complete this calculation. Now you are given the SP 2355. This is 125%. 125 means 1.25 divide by 100 direct कर देंगे. Okay, so what is the value of CP from here? What is the value of CP from here? Okay, gate में you have the virtual calculators allowed. Please use it up. So it is 1884. This one is known as the 1884. 1884 option 4th है. 1884 option number 4. Okay, no dear, no official update about ISRO exam. Whenever it is, we'll update you. Okay, but there isn't still any official update. We'll just wait for it. ठीक है, option number 4, 1884. 1884. ठीक है. अच्छा, in case if there was a loss, see, loss will occur. Okay, whenever the CP is greater than SP, so we write CP minus SP, but still divided by CP. Whether it is profit or loss, we calculate on the base value of the CP, right? And if the loss will be given, then what will be the CP? As I'm telling you, loss will occur when the cost price, when the selling price is less. Okay, selling price how much? 100 minus L. Suppose you have a loss of 10%, ऐसा समझना. Suppose you have a loss of 10%. Why? Because you sold the item at 90% of its purchase price. You purchased at 100, you sold at 90. So वो 10% का loss हो गया. Okay, so that is what 100 minus 10%, that becomes 90%. Okay, so whenever it is L% loss, 100 minus L% of CP. Okay, in most of the profit loss question, these formulas will be more handy rather than the direct profit loss formula. Selling price is 100 plus P or 100 minus L percentage. Okay, where is that? So this question is done. 1884 is the cost price. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next question. A merchandiser sells bananas and apples at a gain of 20% on bananas and a loss of 5% of the apples. If the cost price of both the fruits is 5,000 and he earned 6% on the whole, what is the cost price of banana? What is the cost price of banana? Okay, what is now cost price of both आपको given है 5,000. Okay, cost price of both is given to you as 5,000. Suppose the cost price of bananas is X. Suppose the cost price of bananas is X. Okay. Chalo. Dear, do it up and tell me. Do it up and tell me. Quickly, simple one only. Okay, simple one only. क्या हो जाएगा ये? Okay, suppose the cost price, as I am telling you, for bananas is X. Let's say cost price of what is the next fruit given? Apples. Suppose that is the Y. Okay, अब क्या बोला है? Okay, he sells. अगर बनाना की बात करें, चलो पहले बनाना है तो पूरी बनाना की स्टोरी लिख लेते हैं. Right, selling price of banana. So he is selling 20% gain on bananas. Okay, 20% gain on bananas. So directly let me write selling price should be 100 plus 20% of X. That is 1.2X. Okay, but at the same time, what is the cost price of the apples? Okay, suppose that is Y. So what is the selling price? Okay, there is a loss of 5% on apples. There is a loss of 5% on the apples. Loss means you are selling at 100 minus 5%. Okay, so that is 0.95. 95% of Y is 0.95. That is the selling price of the apple. अब देखो, cost price of both X plus Y is 5,000. Also, he earned 6% on whole. Okay, this is the total CP. He also earned 6% on whole. So what is the total SP? Okay, total SP will be equal to 6% gain, that is 100 plus 6% of the total CP, which is the 5,000. That means 1.06 of 5,000, and that is how much? That is how much? 5,300. That is known as 5300. नहीं, मार्क्ड प्राइस का यहाँ पे नहीं है कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके निशु, राइट. So total SP. Now we have two equations. Now we have two equations. Total CP x plus y is 5000, and next equation 1.2x plus 0.95y. That is the total selling price, and this is 5300. Okay, this is the total CP. This is the total SP. This is the total SP. What is the cost price of banana, which is x? I want the value of x from here, right? I want the value of x from here. So what will be y? Y will be 5000 minus x, replaced y, and now you just have to solve this fundamental equation. 1.25x plus what is this? This is 5%, so that will be 4750. Correct hai? Yeah. Okay, minus 0.95x is 5300. Okay, so I have 1.2 minus 0.95. The 0.25x should be equal to 550. 550. Correct? Just check it out. So final answer is 2200. The value of the cost price of bananas is 2200. It is 2200. Option is matched. Option number 3. It is 2200. Done hai? Done hai? So this one little bit evolving in equation. So profit loss application questions are common in every competitive exam, be it you are preparing for GATE, ESE, NIELIT, HPCL. Okay. So this quant session helpful for all of these exams, GATE, ESE, HPCL, NIELIT. Of course, definitely you're practicing at the end of the day. Yeah, correct Nishu. Now the correct answer is C, dear. The correct answer is C, that is 2200. Okay, should be moving ahead to the next question. A merchant marked his goods at 20% above the cost price and offered a discount of 5%. Seeing poor results, he again offered 8% discount and noticed the growth in his sales. What is his profit? What is his profit? A merchant marked his goods at 20% above the cost price and offered a discount of 5%. See, normally what happens, dear? Normally what happens, you have a cost price, but you know that multiple things, like you need to gain profit, you need to earn, you're running a shop, and at the same time there will be discounts, there will be customers asking for discount, yeah, there will be sometime festival seasons, you already need to put some sale by your own. Okay, so that is why you mark up the prices. Okay, that is known as marked price. Okay, now whenever a customer comes, he doesn't know the cost price, he only know the marked price, jo likha hua hai uspe. What is the labeled price? Chit price, you can say, what is labeled on it. Okay, now whatever discount is being asked by the customer, that is calculated only on the marked price, because customer only knows the marked price. So onto which I subtract if there is some discount, and then I get the selling price. If there is no discount by chance, okay, yeah, kisi question mein discount ki baat nahi hai like the previous one, then marked price is the selling price only. Okay, we don't talk about discount. Okay, so we subtract the discount if there is any and we get the selling price. Now what is the final profit or loss? The final profit or loss for the shopkeeper, okay, the customer doesn't know CP, but shopkeeper kis pe calculate karega? He bought at CP and he sold at some price. Okay, what is the difference between them will give the profit or loss. Okay, if SP more profit, if SP is less, that is the loss. Okay, ye dhyan rakhna hai aapko. ठीक है. So a merchant marked his goods at 20% above the cost price. Now, then there is no reference, though value mentioned. Okay, you can say that. Let's make this question even more simple. Let the cost price of this be simply rupees 100. Okay, be simply rupees 100. Okay, so he bought at 100 rupees and he marked the good at 20% above. इससे 20% ऊपर ले जाइए. So rupees 120 is his marked price. Rupees 120 is his marked price. That is what is marked price. And he offered a discount of 5%. He offered a discount of 5%. Okay, so I told you na, minus 5% to be done from here. Acha, 5% of what? 5% of the marked price only. Iska 5% kitna ho jayega? 0.05. 5 by 100 of 120. Okay, should be equal to 6 rupees. Okay, so when you subtract 6, it becomes 114. Clear? Yeah, you can directly calculate 95% of 120. You are subtracting 5%, so what is left is 95%. Okay, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं आप. Okay, better let's put that as habit. So what is left? 95%. 95% of 120. This is 114. Okay. Now, okay, he was seeing poor results. Matlab his sale was not significant. Okay, he was not able to sell much. Okay, so what he then did? Okay, his sale was not much. So what he then did was, okay, he again offered 8%. Clear? He again offered 8% discount. Okay, and notice the growth in his sales. So is pe further 8%. He again offered 8%. So what is the 8%? If you reduce 8%, better calculate 92%. Better calculate what? 92% of the remaining. That is 0.92 of 114. Sir, ये कितना हो गया? Okay, use your virtual calculator. Only virtual calculator use करना. Okay, that is 104.88. 104.88. What is the overall profit now? Why? If you take CP as 100, now the calculations are simple. You bought an item at 100 and you're selling at 104.88. So what is the profit percentage? What is the profit percentage? 4.88. What is the profit percentage? Dear, ultimately you have a CP of 100 and ultimately after all these calculations I got 104.88. Okay, so that is why, okay, I have a profit of 4.88%. Clear, everybody? Okay, so that is why this 100 value is always useful, because percentage also we calculate percent per 100. Na? So if you take the base, the actual price itself is 100, to calculation simple. Even if you want, you can start with X also, no problem. You can start with X also, there is no problem or no confusion in that. Okay, next question. Okay, chalo. Right, so now look into this again based on discount and all. Again based on the discount and all, please let me know the answer. Yes, dear. Yeah. Let's continue. Okay, I hope you are done by this time. I hope you are done by this time. Okay. Yes, Nishu, आ सकते हैं. This is actually successive discount only, and we'll see other variety also. तो देखो, automobile accessory cost ₹5825. A customer requested a discount of 18% in addition to the discount of 5% already offered by the merchandise. Okay. Now, cost 5825. 5825. Okay, there is no separate markup given, so this only is my marked price. Okay. नहीं कॉस्ट निकालना है मैं सॉरी ये तो इतने पे तो सेल किया है ऑटोमोबाइल एसेसरी कॉस्ट 5825 नहीं सॉरी ये सीपी ही है yeah when I read the question completely it is CP only. Okay, a customer requested a discount of 18% in addition to the 5% already offered by the merchandise. Okay, by the merchant, so minus 5% is already being given by the merchant. Okay, so when I reduce 5%, I get 95%. So 0.95 of 5825. 0.95 of 5825. That is okay. That is 5. बाद में चलो एक साथ calculate करते हैं. Okay, the calculations at the last, and then okay, the customer requested for an additional 18%. Customer requested for additional 18%. This has been requested by customer. Shopkeeper agreed to it. Okay, so now after 18% reduction, how much is left? 82% is left. 82% of previous. This is what is successive percentages, na? Okay, previous is 0.95 into 5825. So let's do the calculation in one single shot. Okay, in one single shot and into 0.82 where I do. Okay, this is 4537 point kitna? 4537.675. 0.675. 4537.675. Option number 2 correct. ठीक है. Yes, Agnika, correct answer. Yes. Okay. So option number B it is. It is option number B. Okay. Moving ahead to the next question then. Okay, a dealer has the following 3 schemes running for products in his store. Which of the following has maximum discount percentage? Which of the following has maximum discount percentage? इसको देखना. Okay, there are 2 successive discounts of 15 and 20%. Okay, or there is a next scheme buy 5 get 3. अच्छा, buy 5 get 3 तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना. Buy 5 get 3 free. Buy 5 get 3 free. Okay, nobody will buy 5 and get 3 वो तो लॉस हो जाएगा. तो buy 5 get 3 free. Okay, next is buy 5 get 6. I don't know whether यहाँ पे भी free word missing है, but let's take it this way only ना. Buy 5 get 6. Okay, that means you are getting only 1 extra free. Okay, buy 5 get 6. You buy 5 and you get total 6. Okay, buy 5 6 free तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट हो जाएगा. But anyways, both can be valid. But I am taking the language here as buy 5 get 6. Okay, so one is buy 5 get 3 free. One is buy 5 and get 6 total. Okay, which of the following scheme has the maximum discount percentage? Maximum discount percentage. ठीक है. यहाँ पे once again no reference value is given, so let's say CP is 100. Okay, तो अगर मैं first case में चलता हूँ तो 100 and there are successive discounts of 15 minus 15%, तो कितना आ जाएगा 85. Okay, 15% of 100 is directly 15 and then minus 20%. So when you reduce minus 20% here, 8.5, 17, 68. Okay, 68. So what is the final discount percentage? What is the final discount percentage? In the first scheme, you bought at 100, you are selling at 68. Okay, so final discount percentage is 32%. It is 32%. Okay. And let me say it is not maybe CP, it can be MP also, marked price. Marked price की बात करते हैं, that is the 100. Clear? That is the 100. So in the first scheme 32%. In which of the scheme the discount percentage is maximum? That we have to check. अब second scheme के बात करेंगे, buy 5 get 3 free. Second scheme, buy 5 get 3 free. So total you get 8. Okay, total you get 8. Okay, total you get 8 na, but you pay for 5. Okay, for 500. Can I write directly na? Any confusion you can ask me. Okay, buy 5 get 3 free. Mila 8, but you paid for 5. That is 500 because 100 is for 1. Okay, so how much? 1 for, effectively you bought 1 for 500 by 8. Okay, you bought 1 for 500 by 8. 62.5, correct? Yeah, 62.5. Okay, you bought 1 at 62.5, whereas the marked price is 100. So how much is the discount percentage here? The discount percentage is 37.5. The discount percentage here is better than the first case, 37.5. What about the third case, dear? What about the third case? Buy 5, get 6. Okay, buy 5, get 6. So you get total 6, okay, for 500. That means 1 for 500 divided by 8. Sorry, 500 is divided by 6. So 0.83. So 83.33. You get 1 for 83.33. So यहाँ पे तो कम ही discount है. What is the percentage discount here? The percentage discount here is how much? 16.67. Okay, the maximum is in case number 2. Okay, it is only 2 where it is the maximum. Everywhere you have to discount, but maximum is there in the case number 2. Clear, everybody? Maximum is there in the case number 2. You are free to ask any doubt if there is any confusion with the question. Okay, so 2 successive discount, or buy 5 get 3 free, and buy 5 get 6. Hanji, done hai? Next question then. Next question. No, Sagnika, it is not in 3. It is in the second where we get the maximum discount percentage. Okay, this is buy 5 get 6, not 6 free. मैंने बोला था ना, there can be 2 types of statement. Buy 5 get 6 free. That is also a question. Okay, but I have not taken that. I have taken buy 5 get 6 only. Okay. Definitely, if you take buy 5 get 6 free, so here you will get the maximum discount percentage, more than 50% discount. Okay, if that was the case, but यहाँ पे मैंने free word हटा दिया. I've used in one so that you understand both type of languages. Okay, so that you understand the both type of languages. Let us go to the next question. Krishna's salary was increased by 8% in the first year, then increased by 9% in the next year, again successive. Okay, in the third year he earned 2536 for working overtime. Overtime का भी amount है. Initial salary was 32,500. Initial salary was 32,500. Okay, then salary drawn in the third year. If his initial salary was 32,500, if his initial salary was 32,500, he got increment of 8% in the first year plus 8%. So 8% means 108% plus 8%. Na? So 1.08 of 32,500. And then in the second year he got increased by plus 9%. Okay, so 1.09 of the previous calculation. Okay, so ये कितना हो जाएगा? Now let us do the calculation here. This is successive increase. Okay, step by step. First 8% and then in the next year 9%. This much amounts to 38,259. But he also in the third year, okay, he earned 2536. Right? Because this is of the overtime. He worked OT. He got some OT amount, that is 2536, and eventually he got 4795. So how much he got in the third year? 4795. 4795. Option number 1 is ready for us. Option number 1. Fundamental questions, guys. But aata hai, you know, these are the levels coming up in the exam. So it's okay if you're comfortable with it, well and good. Otherwise, keep learning the processes. Successive change is very important, be it successive increase, be it successive decrease, and based on successive change only we develop the compound interest formula. That is also important. Okay, the compound interest based question, depreciation based question. So successive changes are important. Next question की तरफ जाते. Yeah, before I go to next question, I can tell you one more thing before I go to the next, that like, you know, you are practicing some questions live on the YouTube. There's even technical questions we are dealing, like control system is also running parallelly with me. Okay. At the same time, you know, for other technical and maths and aptitude questions, okay, you know, you can also go to BYJU'S exam prep app, because on the app also you're getting daily practice sessions, live also, recorded also, and also on the app you get daily quizzes, free daily quizzes. You can choose the topic and the subject of your interest, and you know, daily maybe you can make a habit, okay, to wake up and attempt a particular quiz. Okay. So Okay, and not only that, when you are in continuous touch with the app and practicing some questions, so you'll always be there in the leaderboard also. You can keep checking where do you stand in the leaderboard among the thousands of students preparing for GATE. So you can just take this advantage of the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Google Play Store. And also guys, on the BYJU'S Exam Prep, that is today, Sunday, 10 September is today. Okay, there is a national scholarship test going on. Okay, you can appear in it. And if you want the regular courses, okay, the GATE regular courses or even crash courses are available. Okay, you can get up to 90% scholarship based on your performance on the preparation courses. Even if you don't want to enroll to a course, still you can appear in the test so that you at least get key, among thousands of students, where do you stand? At least that your positioning will be clear to you. And also this coming Wednesday, that is 13th September, again on the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Okay, Ashu Jhangra sir is bringing you a free live interactive workshop, Ideal Strategy to Excel, okay, in the GATE 2024 upcoming examination on the BYJU'S Exam Prep, 7:30 p.m. on the Wednesday, 13th of September. Next question, dear. In what ratio must the water be mixed with milk to gain 20%? Adulteration, मिलावट करके कमाना, adulteration, by selling the mixture at the cost price. Okay, adulteration based question. By selling the mixture at the cost price. Okay, what the milkman is telling, I am selling you at cost price, bhav to bhav de raha hu bhaiya, theek hai, but he has internally mixed water. That is how he is fooling you and gaining his discount. He's gaining his profit. Okay, so by selling the mixture at cost price. Okay, so let us say the cost price of 1 liter, we'll keep it simple. Okay, let the cost price of 1 liter of milk, original milk, pure milk, 1 liter of only pure milk be ₹1. Okay, इतना सस्ता है नहीं, but just calculation के लिए you can use the simplest value ना. Okay, the cost price of 1 liter of pure milk is ₹1, suppose. Okay, suppose ₹1. Okay, so 100 liters. Okay, ₹100. 100 liters, ₹100 is the cost price of the pure milk. Okay, now in what ratio must water be mixed with the milk to gain 20% by selling the mixture at cost price? Okay, selling the mixture. Okay, now selling price of mixture should be how much? Selling price of mixture should be how much? He need to gain 20%. Okay, so that means 100 plus 20%, na? Same idea, na? 100 plus 20% of the cost price. This is 1.2, that is ₹120. This is the selling price of the mixture. But what he is telling, I am selling the mixture at cost price. Okay, but he is still telling that selling price of the mixture is 120. It should be 100. Na? So why he is telling 120? Because he must have added what? यहाँ से logic से answer बताइए. What should be the mixture? Mixture can be 100 liter of the milk, which I have considered, 100 liter of the pure milk plus 20 liter of water. Then only, right? Then only, if he doesn't mix the water, selling price of the 120 liter of mixture, if it is 120, then the cost price also will be for 120 liter of milk. That is to be considered. Then there cannot be any profit because he is selling at the cost price. Okay, but what he is doing, he purchased 100 liter of milk at 100 rupees. In it, he added 20 liters of water. He get a mixture that is 120 liters. Okay, the mixture should be 120 liter because selling price 120 and selling price should match with the cost price. So 120 should be the cost price of 120 liters, but 120 liters of mixture. ठीक है, milk कितना लिया उसने? 100 liters. So remaining is the water. Are you getting it? Remaining is the water. Okay, so what is the ratio? 1:5. Okay, the required ratio, we need the ratio of, okay, water with milk. Okay, so I took 100 liter of milk, into it I mixed 20 liters of water. So 1:5, option number 1. It is 1:5. Okay, guys, in adulteration question you can make it a rule. Okay, in adulteration rule, okay, the percentage profit is always given by the freely available thing. What is the freely available thing? Water divided by the pure liquid. Okay, in all such adulteration cases, okay, percentage profit is given by water upon pure liquid into 100. Okay, because you are earning additional by how much? Okay, see, simple logic is, what is profit? Percentage profit is the net profit upon cost price. Cost price kiska hoga? The cost price is for pure liquid. The liquid can be milk or sometime honey, or you can do adulteration in many things. Okay, so cost price is the cost price of whatever pure milk you buy. Okay, and then the difference that is created by the additional water, that gives you the profit. Okay, so net profit upon cost price into 100. That is the logic here. Okay, otherwise I have explained you completely, and the answer is 1:5. The answer is 1:5. I should be going to the next question then. I shall be going. This is adulteration. Next is one more question on fraud. Okay, on fraud calculation. Okay, a dealer uses a faulty weighing machine. Okay, false weighing पे question है. Fraud weighing system. Okay, a dealer used a faulty weighing machine and measured 950 gram instead of 1 kg and claims he sells the good at the cost price. ये भी वही कर रहा है. What he is telling is, I am selling you भाव to भाव. आपको भाव to भाव बेच रहा हूं मैं. Okay, but again, okay, he is doing fraud. Okay, by using a false weighing machine. False weighing machine. Okay, he will measure only 950 gram instead of 1 kg. So when he is selling you, he will tell ये लीजिए 1 kg. So he will charge you for 1 kg. But actually that will not be 1 kg. That will only be 950. That will only be 950. Clear? So what you can say is, okay, what you can say is, let CP of 1 gram be, okay, be rupee 1. Okay, now because again he sells the good at the cost price. Okay, so again I can say that CP and SP should be same actually. Okay, let CP and SP of 1 gram be rupees 100. Actually it should be rupees 1. Okay, for 1 gram. Okay, so now what should be the selling price of deer? What should be the selling price of 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. That will become rupees 1000. That will become rupees 1000. Clear? That will become rupees 1000. But what is the cost price of? He is only measuring 950 gram instead of 1 kg. Okay, so what is the cost price of 950 gram? What is the cost price of 950 gram? ठीक है? What is the cost price of 950 gram? It will be rupees 950. So what is the profit earned? Okay, what is the profit earned? Okay, 50 rupees extra. So profit is rupees 50. Got this answer? Profit is rupees 50. We need to specify in percentage. Okay, in percentage it will become profit upon percentage is calculated over cost price. Na? It is calculated over cost price, and cost price is 950 for him into 100. When you complete this calculation, it should be 5.26%. Okay, 5.26%. 5.26%. It has to be option number 3. Clear everybody? It is the 5.26%. 5.26%. Let me know if you have any doubts. Okay, right. 5.26%. ठीक है. Again, in cases के लिए भी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. In false weighing, the percentage profit is always equal to what? Okay, it is always equal to the difference between the actual weight and the false weight. Okay, divided by 950, which is the false weight. Okay, so what should be true? Minus false divided by false into 100. Okay, because true weight should be 1 kg and the false weight is 950. Okay, so that you can use. Okay, now we have the next question. A family wishes to attend a party 150 km away from their home. Okay, they travel at an average speed of 50 km and return at the speed of 75 km. What is the average speed? Guys, okay, return and go. That means the going and returning distance should be same. Na? They are going from a home to a party and party to the home. Okay, home to the party. Okay, and party to the home. Home to the party, party to the home. Distance is same. And this is the concept. Whenever you travel equal distance, okay, whenever you travel equal distance but with different speeds, okay, you travel d with the speed s1, you come back the distance d with the speed s2. Okay, so but there are different speeds. Maybe na traffic situation is different while you go, traffic situation is late, maybe you're returning late night, so roads are empty and you are able to travel at a better speed. Okay, so different speeds but equal distance. Okay, in such a case, the average is equal to, what is the average? It is given by harmonic mean. The average here is given by the harmonic mean concept, and that is nothing but 2s1 s2 divided by s1 plus s2. Hey, what is the harmonic mean of two quantities? 2ab upon a plus b. The harmonic mean of two quantities is 2ab upon a plus b. Okay, so directly you can write down the answer as 2 into 50 into 75 is divided by addition of them, that is 125. So this becomes how much? 3 by 5, 27. Sorry. 3 by 5, 20, 60. It should be 60. Okay, check it out. It should be 60. Option number 3. Option number 3. Okay. You know, you want to know why it is? Because the average speed is total distance upon total time. Total distance कितना कैसे हुआ? Direct निकाल सकते हैं ना? What is the total distance? Ultimately, speed is distance upon time. The average speed is total distance upon total time. What is the time? See, speed and distance is given. What is the time? Okay, time is distance divided by speed, and the second time will be distance upon s2. This is the total distance, this is the total time. D का requirement नहीं होगा, D is cancelled, and eventually you get 2s1 upon s1 plus s2. ठीक है? You solve this equation, you get 2s1 upon s1 plus s2. That is how directly I told you. Whenever you travel equal distance but with different speeds, then the average speed is the harmonic speed. That is the application of harmonic mean actually. That is the application of harmonic mean. The length of train A. The length of train A is 100 meter more than the length of a platform. What is the time taken by train A to cross train B traveling in the opposite direction if the speed of the train B is 70, speed of the train A is 90? Okay. Speed of the train A 90 kilometer per hour. Acha, straightforward. See, the length and this timing is in meter and second. So straightforward convert the speed also into meter per second. So that will be 90 into 5 by 18. Okay, 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. That is the conversion. So you cancel 5 say 5 5 say 25 meter per second. Speed of the train B is given to me as 70 kmph. That will become 70 into 5 is divided by 18. Okay, 70 into 5 divided by 18. This will be in fraction. So right now let it be like that. Okay. Right now we'll just maximum cancel by 2. So it will be 35 into 5 175 divided by 9. Let it be in this way only as of now. Okay, 175 by 9 meter per second. Okay. Now length of a train A is 100 meter more than the length of a platform. Length of the train A is length of the platform plus 100 more. Okay. और क्या क्या given है? Okay. The time taken by train A and B to cross the same platform is 24 and 36. What is the time taken to cross a platform? Okay, what is the time taken to cross any platform? Guys, you can watch my complete video on speed, distance and time and you will get all such cases, the important questions on trains, the formulation of each. What is the time to cross a platform? Time is given by the length of the train plus the length of the platform divided by the speed of the train. Divided by the speed of the train. अब क्या बोला है? अगर A train पे आ जाए, the time taken by train A is 24 seconds. Okay, so that should be equal to the length of the train A plus length of the platform divided by the speed of the train A, that is in meter per second 25. ठीक है? So length of the train A, अच्छा, length of the train A is LP plus 100. वो भी लिख देते हैं. Okay, LP plus 100. Okay, plus LP will be 24 into 25. That should be 600. So what is the value of LP from here? Okay, 500 and then divide by 2, 250. Length of the platform is obtained 250 meter. So length of the train A will be 350 meter. So one problem is solved here. Now for a B, let us talk for the train B then. Let us talk for the train B. What is there for the train B? The time taken is 36 seconds. Okay, the time taken is 36 seconds. And that will be equal to length of A plus length of the train B plus length of the platform divided by the speed of the train B, which is 175 by 9. Okay, so length of the train B plus length of the platform already known to me, na? That is 250 will be equal to 36 into 175 divided by 9. So you cancel 4 say 350 and then further 700 it should be. Okay, 700 perfect है. So what is the length of the train be? minus 250 क्या? तो 450. It should be the 450. Clear? It should be the 450. 450. Done है? Okay, cool. Now question क्या है? The question is here. What is the time taken by train A to cross the train B traveling in opposite direction? Okay, time taken by train A to cross train B in opposite direction. Okay. Time to cross a train. Okay, it is given by length of the train 1 plus length of the train B. Sum of both the lengths divided by relative speed. Divided by relative speed. So if they are in the opposite direction, SA plus SB, right? Or it can be LA plus LB, the length of both the trains divided by SA minus SB. या modulus of SA minus SB depending किसका speed ज़्यादा है. Okay, this is for the trains traveling in opposite direction. This is for the trains traveling in opposite direction, and this is for the train traveling in same direction. Overtaking. This can be same direction means overtaking time. तो मेरा आंसर कितना होगा? I have been asked traveling for the in the opposite direction. Okay, so length of A plus length of B. What is the length of B? 450. Length of A was 350. Okay, so my answer will be sum of the lengths divided by addition of the speeds. Divided by addition of the speeds. Speed कितना था? 25 and plus 175 divided by 9. Okay, so let me simplify it. This becomes how much? 800. Then into 9. Okay, and then divided by 225 into 25 into 9. ये total 400 सा लग रहा है, तो आंसर आ गया 18. Answer should be the 18 seconds. Check it out once. Answer should be the 18 seconds. Option number 4. Option number 4. A good question based on train. Okay. Even you can find little simpler questions in GATE as compared to this, but this is a good question in GATE. This is a good question related to the trains. Okay. 2-3 parameters used here: platform and train versus train. Okay. Otherwise, इससे simple question भी GATE में आए हैं. That is 2 mark. And then if other exams also, you can expect simpler only like NIELIT and all. Okay. Next question, dear. What should be my next question? Here it is. The distance between two stations, Mathura and Haridwar, is 356 km. Train ABC Express, which is running at a speed of 72, leaves Mathura at 1050. Okay, while train XYZ running at the speed of 82 leaves Haridwar. Okay, so I have two stations, that is Mathura and Haridwar. That is the Mathura and Haridwar. Okay, the distance between these two stations is 356 km. And now there is a train ABC. There is a train ABC, okay, which is traveling at the speed of 72 km per hour. It leaves the Mathura at 10:50 p.m. And another train XYZ, which travels at the speed of 82, but that leaves Haridwar at 11:30. At 11:30 p.m. Okay. Okay. At what time ABC and XYZ will meet each other, but they don't start at the same time. Okay. So ये देखना 10:50 up to 11:30. How much it is? It is 40 minutes. And in this 40 minutes, only ABC will run. Only ABC train will run. ABC train speed is 72 km per hour. That is 72 km in 60 minutes. Per hour is 60 minutes. So if you want to convert in 40, it should be 2/3, na? 72 into 40 by 60 in 40 minutes. Okay, so this becomes how much? Iska 2/3 liya, so that is 48. 48 km in 40 minutes. In 40 minutes. That means in the 40 minutes, this will travel further 48 km. Okay, and at 11:30, we need to see the distance. So at 11:30, the distance between them is how much? That is 356 minus 48 traveled. Okay, that is 356 minus 48 tha, so 308. That is 308. Now the distance left is 308. What is the time to meet? Who will travel this 308? Now they will travel combined, traveling in the opposite direction. Okay, traveling in the opposite direction. Okay, so I can say that time to cover, okay, time to cover the remaining what? The time to cover remaining 308 kilometer. The time to cover remaining 308 kilometer कितना होगा? The time to cover remaining 308 kilometer, time is distance divided by relative speed, correct? That will be 308 divided by 72 plus 82. Relative speed, because they are in the opposite direction, they're traveling towards each other, then only they can meet, na? So that will be 154, so cancel by 2, straight away 2 hours. Now question mein kya tha? Okay, at what time will ABC and XYZ meet each other? At what time will they meet each other? Okay, so after 11:30, they meet after 2 hours. Okay, so they meet at 11:30 p.m. plus 2 hours. Okay, so that is 1:30 a.m. Night 1:30 a.m. they will be meeting each other. Option number 4. Always expect the questions on relative speed in exams. Okay, agar speed, time and distance se kuch aata hai, to relative speed is one such parameter, and based on that only there can be train based question also, like we solved. Okay, like we solved. These are all important questions. Okay, now let me jump to some another question. Chalo. The area of a circular wheel is 3850 square meter. Then what is the cost of fencing it at the rate of 52 per meter? What is the cost of fencing it at the rate of 52 per meter? The area of a circular field is 3850 square meter. What is the cost of fencing it at the rate of 52 per meter? Simple question. Okay, basic mensuration pe liya hai. Okay, the area of a circular field is 3850. Okay, circular field ka area hai na, that is pi r square is 3850. Okay, let me use the value 22 by 7. Maybe it is going to cancel only. Okay, so what should be the value of r square then? If I try to cancel, yeah, 1 and then 65. No, it will not be perfectly cancelled. Na? Yeah, it is cancelled, and then okay, 1225. That is r square. Okay, and then what is the cost of fencing in at the rate of 52 per meter? Okay, so what is the value of r? Okay, so यहाँ से under root of 1225 35, the radius is 35 meter. Cost of fencing, okay, at the rate of 52 per meter. So what is the total circumference of fencing? Fencing means it is done only on the boundary, na? Fencing is only done on the boundary. Okay, so what is the cost of fencing? It is the total boundary length, that is the circumference, multiplied by per meter rate, that is 52. So your answer will be is multiplied by 52. Okay, so let me check upon the answer. It is 11440. 11440, option number 4 it is. 11440, option number 4. 11440, that is the option number 4. Correct hai? Okay. Next question. If the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 3696, okay, curved surface area, okay, curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi rh, that is 3696. Okay, and the circumference of the base, what is the circumference of the base? Okay, base radius is r and the circumference becomes 2 pi r, that is 88. Okay, so 88 times h will become 3696. This is the 3696. So यहाँ से h का value आ जाएगा first of all, that is 42. H is equal to 42 centimeter. Then what is the volume? Volume pi r square h. Okay, some fundamental questions I am taking. Okay, pi r square h. अच्छा r निकालना पड़ेगा यहाँ से. So how much is this? 2 pi r. अच्छा pi सीधे cancel करो ना. 2 into 22 by 7 r is 88. So what should be r? This is 44, cancel 2. R is 14. Okay, so pi into 14 square into 42. Okay, let us write down the answer. Okay, 25,872. 25,872 cubic centimeter. 25,872 cubic centimeter. Done है? 25,872 cubic centimeter. The diagonal of a cube is 6 root 3. If 1 kg paint covers 12 square feet, then how much will it cost to paint the exterior of the cube if the cost of the paint per kg, is rupees 320? It is rupees 320. Simple, na? The diagonal of a cube. What should be the diagonal of a cube? Cube hai, so it has all equal sides. Suppose this is A, this is A. What is the formula for diagonal of any cube? Okay, when you want to draw the diagonal, see, diagonal means पहले तो base diagonal निकालेंगे तो that is a square plus a square, that is 2a square. Then this is further a. So if this is the main diagonal, we know that diagonal square will be equal to this height square a square plus 2a square. Okay, so the total diagonal is given by root 3a. Now you can solve the question. And you should know this formula actually. Diagonal of a cube is root 3a. So root 3a is 6 root 3 and that is how a is equal to 6. If 1 kg paint covers, अच्छा तो total volume कितना होगा? Sorry, total surface area. If 1 kg paint covers 12 square feet, how much will it cost to paint the exterior of the cube? Okay, to paint the exterior of the cube. How much will be the exterior of the cube? 6a square area. Exterior means all exterior sides of the cube and the side of the area of every side is a square. So 6a square. Okay, that will be equal to 6 into 6 square. That will become 216. That will become 216. Correct. That is equal to 216. The 1 kg paint covers 12 square feet. Okay, 12 square feet. Okay, how much will it cost? Okay, so 1 kg paint covers 12 square feet. Okay, so how many kg is required? How many kg required? I need to cover 216 total square feet and 1 will cover 12. So when I divide it by 12, it will be 18. So total cost, okay, cost of paint per kg is 320. So 18 is multiplied by 320 and that is equal to rupees 5760. 5760, option number 2. It is known as the 5760. That is the option number 2. 5760, option number 2. Nishu, just check it out once. It should be option number 2. Option number 2. Okay, chalo. So I think it's more than 1 hour and students are now tired. That is what attendance is telling me. So no problem, guys. Yeah, just quick updates. As I mentioned in the middle also, that the complete grade courses are available. Even the crash course are now available, guys. Those who want to cover up the complete syllabus coverage in a fast track manner. So GATE 2024 crash course is live for ECEE and of course other branches also, computer science, mechanical, civil. Okay, you have live classes, recorded lecture, study materials, mock tests, practice quizzes, everything in the course. Okay, with your best faculties. If you have any more queries regarding to the course, okay, be it timing, faculty, fee structure, you can immediately contact 924 133 666. 924 133 666. Okay. A simple and random password. Just now we talked about the question painting the cube. Okay, there will be a password for today's PDF and very, very good right now. Attendance abhi kam hua hai na, so those who are regular till the end, okay, they have the benefit. Those who watch it completely, you have the whole right of getting the PDF. You can only open the PDF using a password, that is PAINT, everything in small paint. I will share you the PDF in the Telegram group, okay, with this particular link. Okay, so please note down the password and see you in some another session. That bye bye, thank you, stay safe and take care of yourself.